Now let's test it. Let's make sure it works. Here's the updated trend.js. In this case, I want to make sure that the contract balance changes in case where the person who waived won. Okay, now just copy it run.js and go here and open a script and run the JS and just replace it. Okay, now excuse me, you can see that there are two waves, and let's see, you won't always have nice tutorials like this one to guide you on how to test your code. It's up to you figure out what you want to test, how to test it. In this case, I knew I wanted to make sure contract balance went down by 0.0001 only in the case that random less than 50 is generated. So let's run it again. Okay, okay, so I'm going to see that contract balance was 0.1, that is generated random number, that is 23, and this address is 1 as he waived. Okay, so the contract balance is now 0.099, so it's detected, so it means the script is running successfully. Okay, now read this one also. It works. When 79 was generated, the user didn't win the prize, but when 23 was generated, the waiver won, and the contract balance went down to 0.0001. So basically, the condition in the smart contract is that if the remainder of seed is less than 50, then chance opening user, then user will the balance will transfer to that user and mark as 1. So it's working perfectly now. Here it is. You can see that generated 23, it's 1, whereas generated 87, it's not 1. You didn't see this line here. So let's cools down to prevent spammers. Awesome. You have a way to randomly send Ethereum to people now. Now it might be useful to add a cooldown function to your site so people can't just spam wave at you. Why? Well, maybe you just don't want them to keep on trying to win the prize over and over by waving at you. Or maybe you don't want just their messages filling up your wall of messages. Check out the code. I added a comment where I added a new line. I just use a special data structure called mapping. Excuse me. So mm, we add the mapping. This is an address joint mapping, meaning I can associate an address with a number. In this case, I'll be sorting the address with the last time the user waved at us. Okay, so let's just copy it, this line, along with the comments. um, and just paste it here, and now uh, search for large set. Okay,